Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions. That is, find the greatest numbers among three numbers in Java. How to solve these questions? To solving these questions, let's suppose here we have an example. For that input we have a number one, number two, number three, which have a 12, 9 and 14. What we need to do, we have to check each other and find the who one is the largest numbers or greatest numbers. To check this, we have to need some logic. We'll implement that logic. So here, as you can see, the 14 is a greatest numbers. So output will be 14. To implement this, let's start the get first main method. Import the main method. Inside of main method, take three variables, that is int num1 is equal to 12, int num2 is equal to 9, int num3 is equal to 14. So here we have a three variables. After taking these three variables, what we need to do, we have to check which one is a greatest numbers. To checking this, we have if else conditions. So we just using the conditional operators to check which one is the greatest numbers. First of all, we need to check that num1 should be greater than equal to num2 and num3. So let's check the if num1 so greater than is equal to num2, and also it should be also greater than num3. So check num1 so the greater than is equal to num3. So, so this condition is because why I'm writing this conditions. Num1 is greater than equal to num2, and we are using the AND operators. Why we are using the AND operator? So as you, if you know that AND operators, so if both the condition is true, both the condition is true, it will true, return true, else return false. So why if you're writing here because of the both of the conditions should be true, then only you have to return 12 is a greatest number. So what we have to write this out. First of all, num1 plus concatenate is a greatest number. This is the our first conditions. The second condition I want to check what if the num2 is the greatest number. To check also that the condition should be like if else if else num2, now to check num2, if else num2 is greater than is equal to num1, and it also should be num1 num2 should greater than of num3. This how num2 plus concatenate is a greatest, here it is as the greatest number. So here here also doing the same thing. Syntax error. Oh, if else not else if, sorry guys, else if here checking the now I'm checking the what if the num2 is a greatest number, means we are here, let's suppose here we have a 18. So it might be a chance of num2 is the greatest numbers. To checking that, we need one more condition, that is num2 is greater than is equal to num1. So as you can see, 20 is greater than 12. Also, they have to check num2 should also be greater than num3. The both the conditions should be true, then only they will return the yeah, num2 is the greatest number. Come back to the 10, 9. Now I have to check num3. So again, else if num3 should greater than is equal to num1, first condition. Second, it also num3 should also be greater than is equal to num2. If the both the conditions satisfied, write this out. Num3 plus concatenate is our greatest number. Now our three conditions is written here. So our implementation is done now. Let's run this program and see what will happen. Run it. See, 14 is the greatest number. What if num2 have a 200? Run this again. See, 200 is our greatest number. What if num1 is the greatest number? So write 600. See, 600 is the greatest number. Or you can write here also. Num1 is our greatest number. Num2 is the greatest number. And here num3 is the greatest number. And this 600, num1 is the greatest number. I hope you will understand this video. In next video, we will discuss another questions of the programming. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas. I hope you will understand this video. Next video, we will discuss another programming questions like this. Before you go, I hope you will understand this video. If, I hope you will understand this video. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.